In a new development, the special advisor to the president on media and policy communication, Bwala, has said the decision to criticize President Bwala Tinubu's administration in the past was because he was in the opposition party. NaijaNews reports that the former chieftain of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, made this known on Tuesday while speaking on a Rise TV morning show. According to Bwala, the opposition bloc is to criticize the sitting government and hold them accountable. But his view changed after meeting Tinubu. He said, "I criticized Tinubu's election and administration in the past because I was in the opposition. The opposition work is to criticize the sitting government and hold them accountable. My views changed after I met the president and he saw a need to appoint me."
Same government you said all those things about.
Yes.
That Tinubu didn't win this, and all of that. That processes were shambolic. You were speaking for Atiku.
Everything.
Yes. You admit you said those things against this government. Why are you still serving in this same government?
Good. I was in the opposition.
Yes.
In case you don't know, the role of the opposition is to oppose the government. In doing so, you de-emphasize the strength of the government and emphasize your strength. Where they have strength, you allow them to argue their matter.
Recall that before his appointment, Bwala accused Tinubu of rigging the election. It's worth noting that in May 2023, Bwala doubled down on his claims during an interview with Arise Television, challenging the legitimacy of Tinubu's victory. He described Tinubu as a president-elect rather than president-elect, accusing the Independent National Electoral Commission of manipulating the presidential election results. He added, "We are in court to say it was a rigged process. As long as there is no final determination of the matter, we have every right under the law, equity and justice to express our opinion. There is a president-elect, not a president-elect." However, this has sparked reactions online. Please drop your opinion in the comment box section. We'll continue to monitor the story for more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.